Here we go, got Richie over here and the bike we're building. We got it working to some extent. Hooked up the LCD displays, got the power button, the controller. The display's not working like it should be yet, and the power button's backwards. That's we got a brake, the front brake, that's all we got. Back brake, we haven't figured out how to hook that up yet. But that's all right. We're gonna fit the battery right in there. Looks like it fits in there pretty well. Yeah, it's about as dangerous as it could possibly get. I gotta hook the controller back up. All right, Archie here.
Yes, sir.
Get me on this.
Here we go.
Yeah, we definitely gotta do a lot of fixing up before we can do any like serious riding, but it's good for now. Get it working.
This guy right
good
here.
spot for the controller. I guess that's fine, right? Nah, probably not. Get it under here maybe. Boom. I don't want the wires to under here, but yeah, right under here is good. Oh, wow, yeah, there we go. For now, we'll just do. You gotta get a bolt after. I probably get some bolts downstairs, but for now, we'll just do zip ties.
Okay. Back with the video again. Yes, sir. Battery fits in there pretty good. We're looking good so far. We're off to a good start, hopefully.
Yeah.
Now if we can probably make
this is definitely, I mean, this is a serious bike. You gotta be real careful. I mean, even for now, I wouldn't go over more than just like 5 miles per hour until we get everything all set up. We need to find a real seat. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a seat now. We'll do something temporary.
For right now, at least. Put a little bit of spray paint on it. Down the road sometime.
Oh yeah, we got a long ways to go before that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, strip it down afterwards once you get it all nice. Yeah, I mean, it's not too hard to take it apart and put it back together, paint it up, paint it all together. These zip ties really aren't that strong either, but I'll get some better zip ties. This should hold on, just to test it. I think I'm gonna plug all these wires back in over here. Let's hopefully I mean, it wasn't the right way because it's not working properly, but it does work a little bit. So get the 3-phase wires. The way it works is I think it sends first electricity to this one, then to this one, then to this one, and it powers the magnets in there. And there's a big coil of copper. So it hits one and it pushes it, and then it hits the next one and pushes it, hits the next one and pushes it, times it. So it works something like that. Better not injure yourself on this. I got a bad conscience, so I'll be hurting more than you are if you hurt yourself.
No, we got this. We got this. video is the bottom of the bike. Not where you're working.
Disclaimer, this is my first electric job I've ever done, so it's probably a better way to do it.
Yep. The man right here, the man of the hour. Yes, sir. Killing it today. Making good progress so far. Just hope all the ones go back in the right one. Not blow it up like we did the last time.
Yeah, I got them in right. Black, black, red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue. And let's tape around this to hold them together.
Mac and cheese.
I think that's everything, right?
Yeah.
That we did before. No metals touching anything anywhere, so we don't get electrocuted. I think everything's okay.
He says so I don't get electrocuted.
Probably pick that up off the ground before I don't want to go flying. I'll hold it there. When I plug it in, it goes flying towards you.
No, please. I need protection.
I left this on there. Put a little piece of tape to hold it on there. We need to get some rear brakes.
Where's your protection? I'm happy you got no protection. Other than a foot.
Just call up Chris and be like, hey, be outside in the hallway. Or be somewhere. And then my buddy Chris. Call him. No, call him. Huh?
It's not even going through. It keeps hanging out.
No. My hand.
Alright, so we got everything done. I mean, that's all the exciting part. We already tested that it works. But the display doesn't work. The power button, I think, is backwards. But it goes. Yeah, you can probably cut that camera off because all we're going to do now is zip tie these wires.